talk a little bit about the planet Mercury. Mercury is a very small object, very close to the planet, very close to the sun, I'm sorry. And that's why the Greeks and the Romans claimed that Mercury was a god of speed, because it races across the sky. But some people have claimed that maybe the orbit of Mercury is unstable and perhaps will eventually crash into the planet Earth. Now, how can that be?
Well, this has been known for a few years, and indeed, people in the know have been worrying about this. Mercury actually has a rather interesting orbit, because its orbit is almost as elliptical as that of the planet Pluto. Pluto, of course, crosses the orbit of Neptune at its closest to the Sun, and Mercury, it doesn't cross the orbit of any other planet, but its orbit is almost as elliptical as Pluto. And it turns out that Jupiter, which is the most massive planet in our solar system, exerts a gravitational force on Mercury that can actually cause the orbit of Mercury to become even more elliptical. And when scientists do simulations of the future of our solar system, they find that in about 1% of cases that Mercury's orbit gets so elliptical that Mercury actually crosses the orbit of the next planet out, which is the planet Venus. And this seems to be a secure result. So in other words, in the next 5 billion years, there is about a 1% chance that Mercury's orbit will become so elliptical that it will cross the orbit of Venus. And at that point, there could be serious trouble for the Earth, okay? Because if Mercury just keeps on going, it could crash into the Earth. Or its gravity could disturb the orbits of Venus and Mars and cause one of those two planets to crash into the Earth. Now, I don't think I have to tell you that an entire planet crashing into the Earth would be about the worst catastrophe you could imagine. I mean, it would make the extinction of the dinosaurs, which was caused by a mere asteroid, look like not really a big deal. I mean, it would obliterate all life on Earth. So we do not want a planet like Mercury or Venus or Mars crashing into the Earth.